In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Notion template to ClickUp. So the first thing that you'll need to do is go over to Notion and download the export that you want to put into ClickUp. So first, all you need to do is go over to Notion and click on the triple dot icon on the top right of the page. Click on it, and there you will see export, and make sure that the export format is set to HTML. Now, once you have changed it to HTML, all you need to do is click on export and wait for it to export to your computer. Now, once it's done, go to ClickUp and click on the profile icon on the left side and click on settings. Now you will see imports slash exports beside the taskbar, and click on it. And here you will see import items. Click on it, and you will see import from apps and look for Notion, which is down here. Click on Notion, and it will show you the steps that we just did. So just click on next, and now attach the files that you want to import. So once you've dragged the file, all you need to do is just click on next and click on next again once the upload is completed, and you can choose the selected target space either from your personal space or anywhere else. So I'll choose tutorials as an example and click on next and click on import. And that's about it. That's how to import Notion template to ClickUp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.